Let's create a phone view for our value analysis page. We'll click on the View tab and click Phone Layout. We now see a phone and all the visualizations from the current page of our report. As we can see, the phone layout works as a grid system. We simply add visuals to the report by dragging them onto the grid. We'll drag the fee earner slicer to the top of the page and resize it to fit the width. Next, we'll put the date slicer underneath it. We'll now add our charts, starting with value by fee earner. We'll resize the chart to show the correct information. We'll then add value by client, again resizing the chart. Our phone layout is now done.